What if one AI platform could do the work of an entire marketing department? That sounds like one of those marketing claims you've probably heard 100 times before, but after testing this platform myself, I found it does something I honestly haven't seen anywhere else. Instead of giving you one AI chatbot that tries to do everything, it gives you specialized AI employees. One manages your social media, another handles SEO, one creates videos, another plans your advertising campaigns, and they all work from the exact same understanding of your business. I spent time testing how this actually works, from the initial setup all the way through creating content, videos, and marketing campaigns. In this video, I'll show you exactly what each AI employee does, where it genuinely saves time, and whether it's something that's actually useful for creators, agencies, and small businesses. And this isn't just for businesses. If you're a YouTuber, affiliate marketer, blogger, freelancer, or content creator who has to wear every marketing hat yourself, you'll probably get just as much value from this. If you enjoy discovering practical AI tools that can save hours of work every week, make sure to subscribe. I test the newest AI platforms every week so you know what's genuinely worth using and what's just hype. Let's jump in. So what actually makes Fetra AI different? This isn't another AI chatbot. Fetra AI is built around multiple specialized AI employees, each responsible for a different part of your marketing workflow. The more I explored it, the more I realized this is a genuinely different approach to using AI in a business. What surprised me most wasn't actually any one AI employee. It was the way they all shared the exact same understanding of my business, and that's what makes the entire workflow so much more powerful. Let me show you how that works. Setup. Most platforms make you fill out a dozen forms just to get started. Fetra AI does something much smarter. You simply enter your website address or brand profile, and the platform analyzes it for you. It pulls in your business description, products, branding, messaging, and everything it needs to understand your business. From there, you can review and adjust details like your industry, language, logo, target audience, and what makes your business different from the competition. The best part is that you only do this once. Every AI employee works from that same shared business profile, so you're never repeating yourself or constantly adding the same context over and over again. That alone saves an incredible amount of time. Now let's take a look at what each AI employee actually does. Marco, social media. The first is Marco, your AI social media manager. And I want to be clear, this isn't just another caption generator. Marco connects to your social media profiles, learns your brand voice, and starts creating complete posts with matching visuals that fit your style. I tested it by asking Marco to create a promotional Instagram campaign for a specific product feature. Within seconds, I had complete posts with matching visuals ready to review. What impressed me even more was how easily those posts could be adapted for different platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, and more. Instead of simply copying the same post everywhere, Marco automatically adjusts the formatting and presentation to fit each platform. There's even a built-in content calendar where you can schedule and publish everything without jumping between multiple apps. Reed SEO. The second AI employee is Reed, and Reed focuses entirely on SEO content. This is where things get especially interesting if you're trying to grow through organic search. Instead of immediately writing an article, Reed starts by researching keywords, analyzing what people are actually searching for, and recommending topics with a real chance of ranking. Once you've chosen a topic, it generates a complete article with headings, internal links, supporting visuals, and a clean structure that's ready for editing. There's a built-in editor, so you can make any changes before publishing. And if your website runs on WordPress, Wix, Shopify, or Webflow, you can publish directly from the platform without any copy and paste. Vivi, video creator. The third AI employee is Vivi, the video creator. Creating video content is one of the most time-consuming parts of marketing, and Vivi removes a huge amount of that workload. Because it already understands your brand from the onboarding process, The videos it creates stay visually and tonally consistent with everything else you're producing. I tested 2 different formats, a short promotional teaser and a longer product-focused video. Both looked like polished marketing assets rather than AI experiments. If you're creating product launches, seasonal campaigns, social media videos, or advertisements on a regular basis, the amount of time this could save is significant. Ethan, paid advertising. The 4th AI employee is Ethan, who focuses on paid advertising. This may not be the flashiest feature, but it could easily be one of the most valuable. Instead of helping after you've spent money, Ethan helps you build a better advertising strategy before your budget is even on the line. It creates campaign concepts, platform-specific creative briefs, and continues learning from campaign performance to recommend better strategies over time. Since successful advertising is all about continuous optimization, that's exactly what Ethan is designed to support. Final thoughts. Here's what I think really separates Fetra AI from the growing number of AI marketing tools available today. There are already plenty of AI tools that can write blog posts, generate captions, create videos, or help with advertising. But those tools usually work independently. With Fetra AI, every AI employee works from the exact same understanding of your business. That shared business profile becomes the foundation for every piece of content, every campaign, every video, and every marketing decision. The result is a level of consistency that's difficult to achieve when you're constantly switching between different tools and re-explaining your brand from scratch. For solo founders, small business owners, agencies, and even content creators, that unified workflow removes a tremendous amount of repetitive work. You're not just saving money compared to hiring multiple specialists. You're saving time, reducing complexity, and freeing yourself to focus on the parts of your business that actually require human creativity and judgment. And that's an important point. AI isn't replacing strategic thinking. You still need to review what gets generated. You still need to make decisions that align with your goals and your audience. Fetra AI simply gives you a much stronger starting point and dramatically speeds up the entire process. Honestly, I think that's where AI tools are heading. They're not replacing people, they're helping small teams, solo entrepreneurs, and creators accomplish far more with the time they already have. If you'd like to try Fetra AI for yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Connect your website, let the platform learn about your brand, and see how it fits into your own workflow. If this video helped you discover a new AI tool, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Every week I test the newest AI tools, compare them side by side, uncover hidden features, and show you practical ways to create more while spending less. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.